PTSTR International Private Limited is an ISO 9001:2015 and CE certified company specializing in the design and manufacturing of advanced electrical and automation solutions for the various industrial applications. With a commitment to innovation, quality, and reliability, we offer a comprehensive range of cutting-edge products, including smart cathodic protection systems, smart remote monitoring and control panels, GPS and GSM sync portable current interrupters for cathodic protection applications, IoT-based wireless automation panels, power control and distribution panels, servo voltage stabilizers, VFD control panels, MCC panels, power factor panels, and PLC panels, low voltage transformers, rectifiers, and power converters, and pipeline coating integrity surveys. At PTSTR International Private Limited, we prioritize excellence in engineering, ensuring our solutions enhance operational efficiency, safety, and sustainability. Our expertise extends to customized rectifiers and smart monitoring and control systems tailored to meet the evolving needs of industries worldwide. The Dadri-Panipat RLNG 30-inch pipeline is the first gas pipeline commissioned by IOCL in 2010. The pipeline originates from Dadri and terminates at NRPL Panipat, with two stations at SV2 at 45.36 km and SV4 at 92.8 km, with a major river crossing chainage at 80 km. The pipeline is primarily coated with dual-bonded fusion epoxy and coal tar enamel. Protection against external corrosion is ensured through a permanent cathodic protection system, utilizing 4 transformer rectifier units or TRUs rated at 50V 50 ampere, each installed at Dadri, SV2, SV4, and Panipat. In the conventional inspection process, IOCL technician visits the TRU site, navigating through remote areas, often taking more than 2 hours to reach the site. While inspecting, it was observed that DC voltage and DC current readings were 0 and PSP voltage of the pipeline was minus 0.7 volt with respect to copper-copper sulfate reference electrode. That means pipeline is cathodically underprotected. Further AC supply was available. Upon further investigation, DC fuse were checked and found to be blown off. While checking DCR meter reading, it was found that the cathodic protection of the pipeline was affected for the last 10 days. As per OISD 141, the minimum power availability for CPTRU shall be 95% to ensure the effectiveness of cathodic protection in the pipeline. Due to non-availability of prolonged DC protective current feeding into the pipeline, the cathodic protection of the pipeline was compromised and localized corrosion had started in the pipeline. Immediately, the technician replaces the faulty fuses and restores the CPTRU. Now the CP system has been restored and cathodic protection of the pipeline is restored by maintaining adequate DC protective current of 1.0 ampere to ensure PSP voltage of minus 1.2 volt with respect to copper-copper sulfate reference electrode. We at PTSTR International Private Limited, Mathura, have developed an innovative smart remote monitoring and control panel or RMCP. The implementation of this advanced IoT-based RMCP for cathodic protection TRUs in the Dadri-Panipat pipeline has enabled seamless cloud-based remote connectivity for all 4 TRUs. This cutting-edge system represents a new era of efficiency, automation, and real-time decision-making. We have the capability to monitor live readings of DC voltage, DC current, PSP value, DC circuit resistance, ammeter and on-off PSP of CPTRU, among other parameters. More importantly, we can also control CP parameters in real time, including DC voltage, current limits, internal PSP and current interrupters. This advanced implementation has been introduced for the first time across IOCL. Let us see how the values are changed in real time. With change in reference PSP from minus 1.2 volt to minus 1.45 volt, we can see reading getting automatically updated in real time in CPTRU. Similarly, With change in DC voltage from 4 volt to 6 volt in the system, we can see reading getting automatically updated in real time in CPTR-Yo. We can change all other parameters in real time. This is the unique feature where we can set all 4 interrupters simultaneously through remote. This smart IoT-based system includes protections, monitoring and alert for CP overprotection, CP underprotection, reference fail, power failure, DC resistance monitoring, CP door open, R meter etc. or many more customizable as per requirement. With the implementation of smart IoT-enabled CPTR use, this process is now seamless. Using a laptop or mobile device, a technician can remotely configure all CP parameters and interrupters within seconds, eliminating the need for on-site visits. The system can even trigger automatic alarm and alerts through mobile and email. There are several advantages of this smart IoT-based CPTR-Yo over traditional on-off PSP measurement. These include increased efficiency and time savings, real-time and remote monitoring, improved accuracy and reliability, reduced operational costs, enhanced safety and reduced field exposure, and faster response and troubleshooting. By adopting this smart IoT-based RMCP for TRU technology, user can achieve greater operational efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and improved pipeline protection against corrosion. It can also minimize physical site traveling.